Welcome back to Sui Crypto. Today we're going to take a look at one of the top DeFi protocols on Sui, Aftermath Finance, the aggregator of aggregators. So if we go to DefiLlama, we go to Sui, and we scroll down to protocol rankings, you'll see that Aftermath right now is currently at number 5. You'll see it has a total value locked of over 100 million. And if we go to aggregator volume, you can see it's been up and to the right all of 2024 and really shows no sign of slowing down. So if we go to their Twitter, see Aftermath Finance is building a next-gen on-chain trading platform, swap, trade, stake, and MEV infra. So Aftermath Finance is really a number of products in one, which makes it unique. So it has liquid staking, it has a DEX aggregator, it has liquidity pools, it has farms, and it has a bridge to bring new people in from other chains like Ethereum and Solana. If we scroll down a little further, you'll see that it's audited by OtterSec, which is one of the top companies in Web3 for auditing protocols. Mistin Labs is a partner. Mistin Labs is also an investor, which is cool. So this is all great stuff for Aftermath Finance. So let's go through the process of testing this out. Let's click on Login Connect, and you can see there's a bunch of options that they make it really simple. No matter what wallet you use, you can even sign in with Google or Twitch. We're going to use our Sui wallet, and I'm going to go ahead and connect. You can see my wallet's connected here. This is their DEX aggregator, right? It says Aftermath looks for the best route for your trade among a variety of DEX aggregators, finding the best execution prices on Sui. See down here they have a share and earn rewards referral program. Each wallet will get their own referral link that you can send to friends and family. Before we make a swap on here, which we'll do in a second, let's take a look at some of the other options. So if we go to trade and then DCA, you can dollar cost average if you want to. You can put this on autopilot, right? If you wanted a dollar cost average, let's say USDC into Sui, you could easily set that up. So if we go to stake Sui, this is where they have liquid staking, right? You can stake your Sui and in return get AF Sui. If you are interested in staking with Aftermath, definitely check out the frequently asked questions section right here. Who can I stake with? How do I choose a validator? How do I get my staking rewards? When will I receive my AF Sui? When can I unstake? And this one specifically, where can I use my AF Sui? Then I would also encourage you to dive into the documents, and I'll link to this in the video description below. This will give you all the info that you need, especially if you're not familiar with liquid staking in general. This is a great starting place right here. So I'll definitely link to this. Check this out. All right, so next, if we go to earn and pools, we can become a liquidity provider, right? You can enter any of these available pools. If you did stake some of your Sui for AF Sui, you could enter the Sui AF pool, and then you could go to earn farms and you could stake your AF Sui liquidity pool coins here in this farm and earn additional yield on that. So you could earn yield by just staking your Sui, then you could earn yield by being in the AF Sui liquidity pool, then you could come here to farms, stake your liquidity pool coins for even more yield, and you could do all that without ever leaving Aftermath, so that's pretty cool. Next, let's go to portfolio, and this is great. So it shows everything that you have in your wallet right here, easy to see, all in one place. And then if you go to staking, if you were staking anything, it would show it here. If you're in any pools, it'd be here, farms, if you're dollar cost averaging and so on. Portfolio is a great spot to get a quick snapshot of what you hold. So Aftermath really is an all-in-one thing, right? I think the main product right now is the swap aggregator. So let's go ahead and test this out. So if we go to DEX Screener, we go to Sui, we'll see all the ecosystem meme coins. Specifically in this example, I want to focus on ACAT, AAA Cat. Done some videos on Sui ecosystem meme coins and how I think there's a good chance we'll see more rotation, more volume coming into them from Solana, Ethereum, and other big chains as we progress into the bull market. So check those out. So ACAT, AAA Cat's one I really like. Not financial advice. Please do your own research. So I'm going to use this as the example. If we check out my Sui wallet, I already have some ACAT, so it's pulled back a little bit. I feel like this is a good time to use this one in the example. So I'm going to copy the contract address right here. You could also copy it down here on DEX Screener. And I'm going to go back to Aftermath. We're on trade. We're on swap. I'm going to flip this around. So I'm going to click on the arrow. Okay, so I'm going to swap some Sui for, let's click on this. You go ahead and search through here. You probably find it, but I like to just paste the address, the contract address of the meme coin I want to swap for. That way you know it's the right coin. I always recommend pasting the contract address, whether you're using Aftermath or any other DEX. We have 62 Sui. I'm going to say 40. And you'll see over here, this is kind of cool. Select a route to perform a swap. Best route is selected based on net output. And went out and looked at other DEXs, CEDAS, FlowX, 7K aggregator, Aftermath. Looks like it's the best one. I'm going to use that. Right here, you can adjust your slippage. It's set to 1% by default. I'm going to leave it. If you're in a meme coin that is very volatile with a lot of volume, you might have to increase it. So we're trading 40 Sui for that much ACAT. I'm going to go ahead and click on trade via Aftermath. And I'm going to approve it. Trade success. 40 Sui for that much cat. Click here to view it on Sui Vision. Sui Vision is one of the top explorers. This in Sui Scan. You can see success right here. Here's where you can see transaction action. So we swapped 40 Sui for that much AAA cat. Here's the route it took, it looks like. That's kind of cool. You can see that. All right, so let's go back. Finalized in 1.183 seconds. So again, Sui is super fast, low fees, super easy to use. So I'm gonna click on close. And then if we take a look at my wallet, see I have that much Sui, and I now have that much cat. You can also click on your wallet address up here to get a view of what's in your wallet, what it is worth at the moment. It'll also display your NFTs if you have them right here. If we click on the settings icon, it's where you could adjust your gas settings, your Explorer, right? You could probably switch to Sui Scan. Yeah, personally I like Sui Vision a little bit better. Networks, you can switch from mainnet to testnet, devnet, display, frequently asked questions, and so on. So I can see why Aftermath Finance is gaining a lot of traction. It's a really good DEX aggregator. It's got the ability to DCA on chain, liquid staking, liquidity pools, farms, and a bridge to bring new users into Sui from Ethereum, Solana, and other chains. So swap smarter, zero fees. Aftermath Finance is another great option for anyone looking to get into Sui ecosystem, meme coins, utility tokens, and so on. Everything is really set up for a ton of volume to come in whenever that happens. My goal is to make sure that I'm prepared to know the tools to use to take advantage of it. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like. Consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.